I am Zombie Man, and today we're gonna get rid of hiccups. Everybody gets them, and we can get rid of them. They're uncomfortable and make us feel really, really not good. So all you need, a glass of water. And you have to have 2 ears, and you have to have a nose. And it's as simple as this. Okay. This is hard, so if you need some humans to help you out with this zombie stuff, let me know. You gotta plug your ears and plug your nose. You gotta drink at the same time. This, like, sometimes I might not be able to do this. Oh, I'm grabbing the lid here a little bit. I'm gonna cheat. Make sure everything's plugged. Sometimes they don't go away that fast. You might have to try it for several times. I'm not a doctor, I'm a zombie. But we will try it one more time. See if I can get rid of them. Hold on a second. I gotta do it like this. That nose has gotta be plugged. And ears. Hold on. Can a friend give me some water? Can somebody give me some water? Okay, hey. Hey. Could you help out zombie guy? Cause I'm hold on. I still have hiccups. How's my hair look? Okay. I gotta look good for this video because I don't do very many videos. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Hold on. What is it? Nose. It's the nose, the ears. I'm sorry. Let's concentrate, everyone. Hold on. Maybe the right side is a little better. I want it to look good. Because I don't do many videos, so I want it to look good for this video. You guys see me? Can you see me? I see you. Get rid of the hiccups. I got you guys. I'm not a doctor. This is what I do.
Guaranteed to work. Always.
Nurse Bertha just said that it works. But I don't know about all that. But it worked for me. Hope it works for you. Well, hold on a second. Is the sun better on my left side?
You've got 17 seconds to get it.
17 seconds. Hold on. Oh, a signal down with your finger? That's too much water. Alright. One last time. Nurse Bertha's going to give us some water one last time.
I think you're supposed to breathe deeply first.
Nurse Bertha just keyed in and said, we gotta breathe faster. Alright. Thank you, Nurse Bertha. Hold on a second. I'm going to trim this up, just so you guys know. Okay. Just so you know. These are Ray-Bans too, just so you know. Salvation Army. $1, baby. Alright, hold on. What? Where can I find my zombie stuff? Hold on. One last time. We're good to go, man. Hold on. There's Bertha's trying to drown us. She's trying to drown us in the water. But always give like the single. So when the water's down, you go like. When you're not cleaning your ears out, you're just like telling down, like a dog. Okay, I got this. Hold on a second. Here's Bertha trying to drown us out. All right, let's do this stuff. Hold on. I didn't even wash. I washed my hands. Well, maybe I did, but make sure you wash your hands. It's not recommended for if you don't wash your hands, you're not sanitary. And you can't do this if you are wearing a mask. Okay. Here we go. Hold on. Okay, go. That's what it is, man.